Kublai pi barok kanigiri do dashin Meghalaya bi plan subhai pi barok shakatup kubom takajanle. Shuban pash gi kubot webnak pitchwai kimat pakongsan. Penbena ke embos ya ke result HSSLC arhajar apun riu yasam ki kena bawan chakmat gi but pen pas pada ke jeng treshi tomba jeng yai ne. Persyak kinong hikai defisit ke jelah lor ke pension scheme. Dawaban yo ke jeng siu bai bam temen bat Muhammad Benjur ya ke jeng iki. Bat pen kre ke BJP ben yo bat biang ya ke bor sin syar ha kesien ke balai ha asam. Mentang ini paswa syaki kubor na keleng ke jelah. MEGHALAYA Board of School Education ne kasi kelapan benai ke result HSSLC examination arhajar apun rio haka bagi kena jugi stream beper kelala ban pas pa haka art stream ke Megha Shri Roy jong ke St Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kelapoi hak kerdan ke bah jrong kat bah ke Commerce ke Priya Ghosh jong ke St Edmunds High Secondary School kelapoi ke kerdan ke bah jrong Hakaway pat kaliang ki kena jong St Anthony's High Secondary School kila pas pa bat kila dan bon ngot ki bapoy ke kerdan ke bahajrong haman la ki stream. Haka science unong yo ya ke kerdan ke baaro amos chin minlun. Ulapan pau ke jing minot jong u baro si snem ban poy si katong. Baro ki belapoy ke kerdan bahajrong kila pen pau ba ke jing yai minot. Ke jing senran lang jong ki nong hikai ba ke jing pen kre ki long ki bedon kambha. Kini baru ke belapas pa ki temu ben peteng ki jing buli bakam syadrong bat bani kon haki examen kum ke UPSC.
I knew that I would get a position because I really prepared hard and I studied hard, but I never expected first position. But I feel like it's possible for everyone to actually score good marks by just focusing on what you're studying, not just reading the text without understanding the context of it. You should actually go in depth of the chapters and understand the meaning of it, because just by harding everything will not give you a good rank or good result. You need to understand, and plus you need to also really ask the teachers, because the teachers are our best guiders, and you should actually put a step forward and ask the teachers if you have any doubts or queries, instead of just sitting by yourself and figuring out by yourself. Instead of that, you should actually approach the teachers and ask questions related to your studies. That's how I actually got a good score, because I would always approach the teachers if I had any doubt.
And I just want to say that class 11 also plays a big role for your achievement in class 12, because I think the base plays a significant role in your achievement. And I was consistent since class 11, and my teachers, they saw potential in me. They always motivated me. All the teachers, Miss Pooja, Miss Supriya, they are the building blocks. They are my backbone, basically to say. Miss Rachel, Miss Delcy, all the teachers in the school, they have not only made me a good student, they have made me a good human being. And I just want to say to all the students, you pursue what you like, love what you do, and give your best, whatever you can do. And not only be good in your work, be good as a person, help others, understand them. That also makes you one of the achievers in your life.
Always consistently get high marks in my school exams, and I really enjoyed studying chemistry because of the organic chemistry, those reactions. I felt that those were quite logical and so easier to understand for me, and I'm also good at memorizing stuff, so inorganic was also never a problem for me. That's why I like chemistry. After school in December, I used to study around 8 to 9 hours. Then around 3-4 weeks before exam, I used to put in 11-12 hours. I'm a Presbyterian, so for me I feel it's very important for me to learn about God and other things. That's why I also live by the principle that the chief end of man is to live for the glory of God. And so theology is the one subject I'm most passionate about. And I also love observing the geopolitical scenarios in the world, geopolitics, economics, and politics. And I also play the guitar at times, sing sometimes, and those are my hobbies and interests.
Kikina na Riboy District Route La Paz pa Banpoy Shakamat. Haka result HSSLC examination Arhaja Apunrio Blapan Banada MEGHALAYA Board of School Education. Ustarwal Ronghang Jongka St. Paul's High Secondary School Ulapoy Kakran Kabakindai. Haka art stream Dakabayo South Pa Laipulai Marks. Lingba Kajingla. Banya le persya ikijing dakajing kod jingbot kabas kem pat kajing yai minot. Katba ka swataka giri jongka Little Star High Secondary School kalapoy ka kerdan kabasan ha ka art stream dakabayo South Pa South Marks. Kablawan ra nam ra buram ya ka school. Kini baro arngot kila ajing songo ya kajing la bentreshitom kajing aimen sim kajing kershan kinong hikai. Kini ki school kila lekmen marsen yo ka result. Pada kajuk ke por kelapan pau ban nang yai le bhasha sho ha ka jing a jing kai ha ka than.
First and foremost, I give thanks to Almighty God because without Him, I couldn't be here. I'm in front of you all. Because of His blessings since the beginning of my preparation, He had strengthened me physically, intellectually, and emotionally. And I give thanks to all my teachers because they taught everything that is required for the exam. And because of them, I was able to achieve it greater. And I also thanks to all my family and relatives. They support me every moment I prepare for the exam, and they also provided me financially so that I can come to school to be an educated person. Now I have 3 courses that I'm interested in, that is political science and sociology and Bachelor of Law. But this decision will be taken within 2 to 3 weeks.
Because God was there when I was studying, when I was stressing out, when I was in tension. God was there. God, thank you so much. And second, I want to thank my mom because the studies start from home, right? My mom, she was there in every, like when I was in stress, when I was in tension, like when I was weak, she was there. What you want to eat, then you have to study, like you have to be strong, you have to study. She used to force me like that. And then used to encourage me a lot that yeah, someone is there who is encouraging me that I can do it, that she has believed in me. And third of all, I want to thank all of my teachers, all of my class teachers from class 7 since when I have met every teacher. I want to thank in the last that they were there, they were supporting me a lot. They were like, when I fell down, they used to pick me up and they used to teach me that yeah, you can do it, you have to practice this, you have to do this. And though I used to fail, they used to just encourage me, they don't make me feel low or anything like that. That makes me really encourageable, and with that, with all of it, I just made it, and I feel very proud that God, my teacher, my mom, and every of my brothers that they're with me. Thank you.
Haka result HSSLC Arhaja Apunrio kabla Pimpanada MEGHALAYA Board of School Education mendakasngi uditro marag bapuli ha Don Bosco College ulayo obat ikakerdan ka beningkong haka science stream daka jingyo South Pa nyopu ki marks katba ka aime Azora J Moment kabana ka johi ka jaka puli kablayo ka kerdan ka bashipho daka jingyo South Pa South Kendai ki marks. Kini baro arngot kini kikna kila ong ba ka jingjob jengki kadai na ka jingyai ne ban minot ka jingyo jingkershan kinong hikai bat ki bahayem bahasem bat ka mon bas kem ka jongki udetro ulai tho ba ka jingjob jong u kadai na ka jingpen blien ban minot bat ka jinget haladi kat ba ka ai me pat kalapen pau ya ka jingkongsan ban don ya ka jingso scam bat ban treasure what happening ki jing ki babun ban poi shakathong O principal jong college Father Jogesh B Sangma ula ai kublay ki kna school bar kinong hikay na kabanta ka jing trishtom ka jongki.
I didn't really expect the first position. Of course, with the amount of preparation I made, I was sure that I would get in the top 10 list. But of course, the first rank came as a surprise. First of all, I would like to thank God because it's all because of His blessings that I've been able to achieve such a rank. And of course, my dear parents who have always motivated me and guided me. Our respected father principal because he always supported me. Of course, my dear teachers, my school teachers, as well as my tuition teachers and all the teaching staff and all the non-teaching staff, as well as the entire college faculty, because they have been one of the most important factors that have enabled me to get this rank. So I didn't really follow a routine, but I just tried to be consistent throughout the year. I studied mainly for like 2 to 3 hours every day. But during the exam hours, it would like stretch out to maybe 5 to 6 hours. That's all. And like maybe to avoid burnouts, I used to take like regular breaks, and I didn't really prepare that much. It would be like 2 to 3 hours every day. That's all.
First and foremost, I was not expecting this rank, but it's because of the grace of God that I got this. I was able to attain it. I'm really over the moon. I'm really happy to achieve this. The last 2 months, nearly 10 to 12 hours of study I have done. So every time, sometimes when I prepare, there is a lot of difficulties that come in my way. Sometimes, like when you give tests when you're not able to get the marks up to your satisfaction level, you feel disappointed, you feel like giving up. So I would resort to my teachers, to my friends, who were my constant supporters, and as well as I would want to say that there can be fluctuation in your marks, but there should not be any fluctuation in your confidence.
MEGHALAYA Board of School Education Kelapan penag result HSSLC arhajar apun rio mata kasengiha kabaki kena na West Giant Hills District kelala banwan syakmat ke North Liberty High Secondary School kala long tang maka ke school na ke district ke balala ban poi syakmat ke top 10 merit list ha ke science stream ka hakiru calam kala poi ke kedan ke bepra bat kala yok saus pak san pusau marks kat bah ke arts ka mewarika pariat kala poi ke kedan ke beshipo bat kala yok saus pak laipuai marks kini baro armut kala yok distinction ha bon teli ki subject kini ke jengjob jong ki kena ke peni ke sinjam ke bakong santam jong ke jengjam syaprang jong ke puli puthi ha ke district
akan suggest you tinggal jasanya you body material right. Very good. How was your exam yesterday? Next to the course.
I truly believe that with God all things are possible, and this success is the reflection of His grace and strength in my life. And I want to thank my family and friends for believing in me even though I doubted myself, and to the teachers, they did not just taught subjects, but they taught me how to be patient, how to think, and to be perseverance in my life. And I somehow expected to be in this position because I really work hard. And choosing arts, it was not easy, as people thought that this stream was like not a very well path to choose, but to me I feel like I chose the right path, and I am happy to be here, and let's see how it goes.
Initially I didn't know how to react, but then I just cried and I hugged my mother and my father. So yeah, and but then when I knew that I got in the top 10 list, so firstly I thank God that it is because of Him that I reach in this position right now. It's because of the trust and the belief I put in Him that He gave me this much blessing. So I'm really thankful to Him, and I want to express my gratitude to my teachers, to the principal, and then to my friends, to my family who always supported me. And
Kinong hikai ba kinong tre jong school deficit grant in 8 hakalang ki benta jong ka jelah ne ke singi la penlong ke jengki bejarjar persya ke propose centralized fund scheme arajar apun rio kinong hikai hapo kalama jong ka KHASI Giant Deficit School Teachers Association kelas dang ye ke poster campaign ban kintu ke sarkar jelah ban le AA halor kini kamat tungini kmi ya kini ka kubor
kane ke jing yakhi kalami hading jong ka jing pentem na umentri rangba ka jalaw konrad sangma dangsyan kani ka sunjuk jong kinong hikai bat kinong tray hagi school Kalau ong bagani ka skim ka kertat ya ka hok jongki ban yo iki jing siu bai bam temen mat kila kentat ya ka ni ka skim ka bapeni mentah.
Poster campaign kalong tang ban pensno sia ke sorkar bat kumjuru sia ki pat nong songnong jong ka Meghalaya bar kawai bangi kino hikai hi ngim yo ya ki hok ke bangi de ban yo ke kata de ka ba ni ya kan ka program jungi ka poster campaign ka de halo ka jing dawa jungi ya ki hok ki bangi de ban yo kumki takino hikai ki bala penlut ya ka por ka bor ka jing im jungi ban long kita kinong pay ya kalawai jong kari ka jai ban re
ni syukwa tang ba nama pengila ada consent ya ka draft scheme pension draft scheme 2023 and kani ke scheme ko mi thmai mata pare kalong ka replace with vote ya kitu ki ba ya ka barim baro ka bangi ngila consent te ishwa ba ke kanlong be kumbangi ngila consent mo all the stakeholders have already consent and plus the government pare kani ke scheme ba thmai ka replaces vote even ye kini ki ba join prior to the 2010 rule ki ba ha pa CPF even ki ba join after the 2010 rule ki ba ha pa NPS te kam ashu kumta kala penwara be da kani ka we kala replace both the scheme so a demand is bangi reject in ye kani ka 2026 scheme
La penlong ka jing ra iki poster ha ka leng ki school bat ki college kan thop iki jaka puli ha rib hoi bat West KHASI Hills ha ka ba ki nong tray jong ki school kilawa ya ki banner bat perta ya ki jing dawa jong ki banwan ra ya ka rukom siu bai bam temen kapade kat kum ka hok ki kun hon jong ki nong hikai kila ya thu ba kani ka scheme bat mai kabujuli ya ka rukom siu bai bam temen jong usnam ar hajar ar pulai mat kala kentu ya ka sarkar banwan ra abyang ya kani ka rukom siu bat ban penya chakmat ya ka jing thumu ban penyo ya ka jing siu ya ka bai bam temen naga benta ki basha thongkam haswa usnam ar hajar shipo kumjuru ban penne ya ka NPS naga benta ki wepan
ka association KJDST bangroshi khasi chantia ringkat rubat ki GHDSTE Jonggero Hills nilelang ya kaju te yang mentah ni klem pada mi red long sasurok kum kataka protes kebahe yang mentah ngile tang haskul la kataru mendai ba barok kino ika ingin penthut ya ka duty jungi ngile segi kelas ha kepor bangi of ngiwan ban peni ngiwan ban yaku yaki bayang ni ki keli kei ka ba pimot te kumta kitu ki klik pa ki bayat lang ba kan ru kin kitip ba kani kat de ka jing dawa chong kinoi kai nangta ka ba kinoi kai kin yai dawa hadu bandayo
kinong hikai kelamaham bawat la ka jing yakhi kalong ka bajai jai menta Henry kila ban penjur yaka lada amla ban penbet yaka jing dawa jongki Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya
Kidukot jongka Meghalaya School Welfare and Development Association hine kasingi kilalik bin kendo yusimbut Menteri Rangba gajalau pa Presun Tinsong ban pensngau kimat ki bakongsan ki bakta ki school ha gajala Kani ke kinhon kabla lam kemat dau President uba HM Marbanyang kilapan pau ya ke jingdawa jongki ban yo ke jingera pisa bat ya ke grant in aid na ke benta ki school secondary but high secondary haringkat bat ke jing sokia halor ki school SSA non NOC bat ki school bapenya di ki Riushimet kila dawaru ban kintiu ke puli puthi ha ki school primary bat panjing penshairu halor ki program ajing ikai kinong ikai kenthop ya ke jing puli DLEd bat B.Ed
agenda that we discussed today is for the matter related with the secondary and higher secondary. As you have seen, Sir Preston highlight and brief this issue on the playground, Madam student, on the program on 1st this month, April. So regarding this, we discuss in detail for all the 6 agenda that we have mentioned in this memorandum. Regarding this, the proposal for financial support or grant in aid to secondary and higher secondary school is one of the issue that we have demand from time to time. Since 2025, in April 4th, we have submitted the memorandum to the government, and we have already discussed the issue with Sir Rakam Esangma, Honorable Education Minister, for this issue. And Sir Rakam Esangma also, he said that this is the matter of his concern. Then he advised us to move to the Chief Minister. Then after that, we already written to the Chief Minister and addressed this issue related with the secondary and higher secondary. Then we have got this letter from Chief Minister that he sent to the Commissioner and Secretary to examine and to report in detail for this purpose.
Daki hajar ngut giriunget jong balang Presbyterian klai lum lang hajalan Nehru Stadium nak bentak ke Biennial General Assembly ke basau pundrio baga jingle ekmen centenary jubilee. Ya kini ke program la penlong naduk ka arpu pratrik u yayong hadu ke lai trik u jemang kum ka dak jong ka jingyak lenti ke ban saken mau jong kini ke balang. Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma ringkat bagi menteri ki MLA bat ki wede ke lai shimbentah kini ke sengi ke bakrau. Ya kini ke jingya seng la pensyong kun syuk-syuk dak ke jing don ki senat kuai beper bak ke jing ajeng keren no Reverend DC Haya. Mentang ni page ki kupor nak keleng kethan chete lamingi. Ka Bharatiya Janata Party ka babat ka bor sinshar kalapan kre ben yo bat biang ka bor sinshar Assam ka sin ka balai. Kat kum ka jing yo jing Kenya Election Commission jong kari India ka National Democratic Alliance kalalam kmat da ka jing job ya kumba shispa arpun reu teli ki seat. Menteri Rambak Kejelau Himanta Biswa Sarma ula job na Jhaluk Bari constituency ba ulapan pau ka jing ngos kem ban yo ya ka jing job. Kat baki seng na kaliang persyak ba ketup ka Congress bat ka AIUDF kidang saadin hakani ka jing yakun. Presiden ke Kongres Assam Gaurav Gogoi ula syakrem na Jorhat constituency hau kertong ke BJP Hitin Ranat Goswami. Mentang ini page ki kubor na kelengkari. Ka Bharatiya Janata Party kelapan krek bantau sarkar ka sin ka baningkong ha West Bengal ka bapen I ka jengkala ka sanyi masih ma ka jelan. Kat kum ka jing nyau vote ka BJP ka lalam kmat ban yo khor ya shibon li ki seat kat ba ka Trinamool Congress kam shim lala ban yo ban sinshar biang ha ka ni ka kenti ka pemerintah. Bon ki kertong jong ke BJP kala yo jingjob bat baka seng kala yo jingjob haki shispa kendai potli ki constituency na ki arspa kendai politely ki seat ke jingnyo ye ki vote kadang ya shat ya keleng ki benta jong ke jilla unong ai kitin jong ke BJP u Gaurav Bhatia ulai thu baki patba jong ke West Bengal kala tap vote ya ke seng na ke benta ban wanra jingkala hapok ke jingalam jong menteri rang badu keri Narendra Modi.
People of West Bengal wanted a change, a positive change which can create Sonar Bangla, and they see that change coming under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi. Second reason, the appeasement politics of Mamata Banerjee has been rejected. This country belongs to everyone, and the majority, the Hindu class, cannot be treated like a second-grade citizen. Third, women empowerment. This has to come. And the Bharatiya Janata Party government will ensure that in West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, being a female, was seen standing with goons of TMC who were targeting females and violating their dignity.
U Vijay belong utin shop ubla paino ashiki kamsain perthei na kaseng Tamilaga vetri kazagam ulayo jing job da shispa na ki arspa lai pu south li ki seat shaging dor bar thau ai ha Tamil Nadu. Katkum ka jinglum jingkhen nak Election Commission of India ka Dravida Munnetra kazagam ka babat ya ka borsin shar ba ka All India ana Dravida Munnetra kazagam kidang long hadien ha ka jingya khun. Haka jinge be thong Menteri Rang Bak Jelau MK Stalin ulalam khamat ha kolatur karba usimbut Menteri Rang Bak Jelau udhi anidhi Stalin ulalam khamat ha Chepok Tiruvali Keni badu Vijay Marwai ulalam khamat dak besuk ha Perambur bat Tiruchi East constituency. Pagajing long jaman ke sumbang ke lengki beta jong ke jalan. Hatura kajing krek long 4 degree Celsius kajing shit long 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam kau hau ke long 100% ke shispa kajing hap slap ke long 4.1 mm. Habapai pat chono ba shalong kajing krek ke long 4 degree Celsius kajing shit ke long 4 degree Celsius. Kajing skam kau hau kelong prapun riau na kashispa kajing hap slap kelong kendai poin pra milimeter. Kan pahajawai pat kajing krek kelong 4 degree Celsius kajing shit kelong 4 degree Celsius. Kajing skam kau hau kelong nyopun riau na kashispa kajing hap slap kelong lai poin riau milimeter. Kesuin bedeng kendum lo hatura shalom pajawai perkala aru bandor kajing hap slap hakibabun ki Jaka. Sean Poi sebut jang tu kubon pe biang sesian kemat bekongsan. Penbenar ke embosia ke result HSSLC arhajar arpun rio. Ya sam ki kena bawan sekmat lagi kibut kibor pan pas pha ha kajing trich hitam pat kajing ai Persyak kinong hikai defisit ke jelah lor ke pension scheme. Dawa ban yo ke jing siu bai bam temen bat maham ban penjur ya ke jing iki. Bat pen krek ke BJP ban yo bat biang ya ke bor sinchar ha ke sin ke balai ha Assam. Di perlok ketung lapoi sebekut jong tup kubor jing minta ke janmit. Haduk Malaysia yang berpilih syah kisni, kublai piparo.